Hi everyone, I'm Brent with VenomPads.com. Today I'm showing you our 3 dry pads that we sell on our website. First we have the Sidewinder Venom series dry pads that come coarse, 1, 2, 3 high gloss. Take a look at them. Excellent for when you're in an install and you need to have no water around. But I always say if you can use a spray bottle, like a Windex spray bottle with water, a little bit of water mist is always good for dry pads. Not only kind of keeps the dust to more of a less minimum, it also actually helps them work a little better. But you can use them completely dry. They are technically an all dry pad. So if you have to have like 0 water around, they will work. They work on all stone, even porcelain. You'll be surprised the pads work great on porcelain and Decton. Next we have the Tiburon at VenomPads.com, the Tiburon 3-step pads. I do have them in coarse 1, 2, 3 and high gloss for the video. I just have the 1, 2 and 3 up. So the difference are sometimes maybe with a little bit of the lighter stone, you might want to go with the Tiburon ones, and more of the mid-tones to the darker tones, the Sidewinders. Then we have the Venom Pads Duster. They're the ones that are in the standard grits. They come 50, 100, 200, 400, 800, 1500, all the grits. I believe up to about 6,000 grit. They're really cost effective. Both the Tiburon ones and the Dusters are really cost effective. You'll be surprised by the price if you check them out on the website. Thanks, I'm Brent with VenomPads.com.